Next one up, BMW S1000RR. This is one Danny has just taken in at DBH Motorcycles. She's pretty filthy. That looks like it's been cleaned in some time. So we're gonna do one of our legendary full Monty valets on this, which will get this thing looking like it just rolled out of the showroom. We got a lot of work to do on this. We'll get that exhaust all polished up underneath there. Get some XCP corrosion protection on there. It should neutralize any corrosion that's on there at the moment and prevent any further. We'll get this windscreen all polished up. We'll do a two-stage machine polish on all this front. It's got some proper ingrained bugs. Get these wheels, calipers, get it all minted before it hits the showroom. If you're looking for S1000RR, I'm sure this won't be around long once we've done our bit. 2 hours on the dot. This BMW S1000RR has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets, full Snowfoam, safe wash, degreased, decontaminated. Everything's been blow dried afterwards. We then misted the XCP corrosion protection on all your subframe, all your suspension linkages, all the motor, all the exhaust has been minted up. Look at that. Absolutely gleaming. All the wheels have been polished, chain has been re-lubed back up, Silcoline titanium gel, all the nuts have had a little coating of XCP, as well as all your suspension linkages. I did a two-stage machine polish on the bodywork just to remove all the ingrained bugs. Windscreen all done in 2 hours on the dot. This bike is now heading for the showroom, DBH Motorcycles. If you're looking for a sweet S1000RR, give Danny a ring. Won't be around long.